Welcome back, amazing people. How you all doing? Welcome back. If it's the first time seeing my video, please don't make it your last. Thank you. So guys, this is another coiling. Guys, can you see how this is giving? This is giving what it's supposed to give. So guys, and it's very easy to achieve. This is not an extra additional money to consume or buying a special attachment for it. Just watch to the end and see how they achieve this beautiful and lovely hairstyle. Guys, the coil is giving. It's giving. You can style it any style you want. So the first, as you can see, you see it, you comb it, you coil it. For you to know how to coil it, check my previous video, the one I posted before this. You coil it. After coiling it, dip it into hot water, very hot water. Here you have to be very careful and make sure everything that you coil have to dip into the water properly to achieve the coil, so that you have to make it coily, you know. So you can add some mousse to it to make the coil stronger. Even gel can also work. So guys, you see the finish now. See now. Thank you.